In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a dev site using WP Engine. This process is essential for those of you looking to seamlessly transfer your development environment to WP Engine with ease. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by heading to your WP Engine dashboard. Logging in is straightforward, just use your credentials to gain access. Once you're in, make sure you locate and select your development environment. This is crucial because you want to ensure you are working in the correct space where your site currently resides. With your development environment selected, navigate to the Sites menu at the top, then proceed to Tools, and finally click on Automated Migration. If you prefer, there's also an optional tool, the WP Engine Migration plugin, which you can use on the source site for a more automated process. If you choose to use the migration plugin, head over to your source site and install the WP Engine Automated Migration plugin. Installation should be quick, and once it's done, you're nearly ready to start the migration. Make sure to configure the plugin following the instructions provided to set it up for your specific site. Now, it's time to initiate the migration process. The plugin will handle most of the heavy lifting here. As it works, it will transfer all necessary files, the database, and your site's content over to your WP Engine development site. Sit back as the plugin efficiently manages this task for you. Once the migration is complete, the next step is to log into your newly created development site on WP Engine. This step is all about verification. Check to see that everything has transitioned smoothly. Start by reviewing all of your pages and posts to ensure they appear correctly. Now take a closer look at your media files. You'll want to double check that all images and other media are displaying as expected. Proceed by examining your plugins and theme functionalities. It's essential to verify that they are operating without issues. Any problems here may require reinstallation or a little troubleshooting. Don't forget to check your forms, bookings, and any payment gateways if you have them set up. These features are often complex and can be prone to migration errors, so take your time to verify they're functioning properly. Finally, if everything looks good and you're confident in your site's functionality, you have the option to push this development site to staging or even live. This step is optional, but if you're ready to take your site live, make sure to do thorough final testing to ensure there are no issues. That's it! You've successfully migrated your dev site using WP Engine. Thanks for following along and enjoy the ease of use that WP Engine offers for your web development needs.